Hi everyone, welcome to Phone Brother. And in July 4th, the Xiaomi released the update edition of the Xiaomi 12 series, and today we'll bring the Xiaomi 12s Pro, and its core, as we can see, its core engineer is the camera, the lens, brand called Leica, and most of we may know that Leica, they just closed the partnership with Huawei, and now they changed the partner to Xiaomi, and this time they bring us the Leica Xiaomi smartphone. And today we will have a very quick, very simple unbox video on this latest model from Xiaomi, the Xiaomi 12s Pro, and we will talk on this product from several aspects: the design, the camera, the screen, the battery, the processor, and also the other things that I think we should mention in this video. And first, let's check the box. It have the simple black design box, and in the front of the box we can find the Xiaomi model Xiaomi 12s Pro, and also we can find the Leica is in front of the box. And so personally I like the black color with red color, because these two colors, they combine together, look so balanced and so nice. So next, let's unbox the smartphone and check what's inside the box. And today we have the Xiaomi 12s Pro green leather edition, and RAM and ROM 6GB RAM and plus 256 RAM. So also we can find another information here. If I open the box, it's past the high-res audio certification and high-res audio wireless certification. Also, it's the sound is by Harman Kardon, and also it supports Dolby Vision Atmos effect. So okay, so next let's see what's inside the box. Okay, so it's totally new and we just got it now. So okay, first, after we open the box, we get another small package, the SIM card pen, and also next this is user manual, and also we get a transparent soft case, plastic case. Okay, so it's transparent soft case. We have, so this is all the stuff inside this small package. Okay, let's put this aside and check the other stuff. So under the small package we get the smartphone. Okay, it's well protected by the plastic. Okay, so before we check smartphone, let's check the other stuff first. So okay, so now we have on the smartphone we have the 120-watt fast charger, so Type-C charger, the Type-C to USB charger. Okay, this is the cable, and yes, it's a Type-C to USB cable. Okay, let's put this cable back, and okay, and put the fast charger back, and then let's check the smartphone itself. Okay, so now we have the smartphone. Okay, so next let's peel off the screen protector of the Xiaomi 12s Pro, and also peel off this mark. Okay, so now we have the Xiaomi 12s Pro in front of, and today we got the green edition. So as we can see, this is the latest model from Xiaomi the Xiaomi 12s Pro. So first from design, and this time the Xiaomi S Pro, they provide four colors for us to choose: the black, white, purple, and green. And today we get the green one. And this time they have the leather back cover. You can see it's the mirror, the material, and the touch it. It's not easy to left your fingerprint on it. And also we get some shining logo, brand name here, and also they have the same camera design here. It houses the triple real cameras. The difference is here they have added the Leica logo, Leica brand name, and the camera information here. And also this smartphone is very not so big. It's a slim design, and it's thin. It's very thin and easy to control it, and also not so heavy. And this time they just have the screen is 6.73 inch screen, and it's also a cover screen. So this is the screen, and when we wake up the screen, we can find it's a curved screen. Yes, so this is basic introduction of the design. And next we will talk on the screen. The first is it has the 6.73 inch AMOLED screen, and it has the E5, the latest screen material. Compared to last generation, it can be more energy saving, and also it has the second generation LTPO and the LTPO 2.0 screen. And also this time the resolution rate is reached 2K. So it's also very nice, and also it's a Corning Victor's screen. Also the screen have some special technologies. They call it the micro lens energy saving technology. So make even it's a high resolution and good quality screen. I think it also can be efficient screen, can be more energy saving. And also the size is really nice. When we hand it on my hand, it's easy to control it, and not so big. Also the thin design makes this easy to control. So this is about the screen. And also this 2K screen, they passes the display Mate A+, and also it supports the Xiaomi dynamic refresh rate, the new technology developed by Xiaomi itself. So to prevent this screen is one of the best screen that Xiaomi has. It's good for the energy saving and the display result, and also it have the very good quality as well. This is technology and technology on it. And also next is about the battery, and this time they have as I showed you before, is have the 120 watt fast charging, and also this time they have the Xiaomi on chip processor to make it be fast charging. And also it have the latest Xiaomi on developed battery manage chips. So it's two chips. This phone uses two chips from Xiaomi on battery and battery control. So it's nice. It's now more and more Chinese brands have own technology on the chips. First from the camera, and then from the battery, and soon I think they will develop their own CPU and GPU as well. And also this time, though it's slim, but this have a 4600 mAh big battery, and with the 120 watt fast charging. So normally one day you can use it and no need to charge. And also it support 50 watt fast charging, and it also support wireless charges. Means you can put your TWS here, and it can charge your TWS, and the wireless charging is 10 watt. And also I think it's also nice balanced specification on the battery part as a flagship model. And also the next I will talk about the camera. This time they have the same camera design here the main, but this time they have the triple rear camera. All of them have the 50 megapixel wide angle portrait mode and main camera. And also this time they use the Sony IMX707, and it's a good quality sensor for the camera. And also the most important one is that this time they worked with Leica, the super famous camera lens brand in the world, just like Hasselblad to its OnePlus. And before the Leica just worked with Huawei. So I think this time they just work deeply with Leica, and I think they can improve a lot on the camera system and the video shooting as well. And the front one is have the front one is have the 32 megapixel super high quality front camera, and we can see the punch camera here in the middle of the middle top of the screen. And now we can test use Leica. As you can see here, they have some instructions for you to use Leica. And okay, I think I will show you some something about the camera part first. Okay, just now we say it's a 32 megapixel front camera, and we can see. Okay, so I have some problems. Black and white, it's really broken. So focus, take stunning photos with ProLens. We get some photos, and also this time the front camera is a very super powerful beauty mode. So it gets very good quality on the front camera. Yes, so but the most important thing I think I should show you that here we have a Leica icon, and here we can, when we touch it, click it, it's kind of Leica vibrate and Leica Authenticity. So here I can think here we get some Leica style pictures. I'll show you. Okay, here we can Leica Authenticity. Okay, so now we show you the pictures quality. Here is the Leica style, I think. So here, yes, we have the Leica logo here. When we shoot, we can choose the style we want. You can get like style pictures, photos. Okay, so this is about the camera. And then next, let's go to the processor one. And okay, I think before I go to the processor one, I think I should mention some features that the camera this time they did on the camera. Like first time they have the very fast time shooting on the object, very fast on the focusing on the camera, and also this time they have a full actual white on the night vision. So it means it get very good quality night vision, and it's all aperture support, and also very good on the portrait mode, and also in the objects, buildings, and the people also they get very good quality on night vision. And okay, so the next, let's go to the processor, and this time they have the Okay, specification, they have the octa-core maximum 3.2 gigahertz is the CPU. They use the Snapdragon Snapdragon 8 generation 1 plus, so has the newest chips from the Snapdragon, and it's fully broad LPDDR5 and full blood UFS 3.1, and also it's have a very good zone on the VC. It's almost 2,900 cubic big VC, and also have the Wi-Fi 6 enhanced on the Wi-Fi 6, so it can get very good and very fast on the internet connecting. So okay, so yes, this is about the processor. Actually, this time the processor, they can do very good on the energy saving. Like the CPU can reduce the 33% of the CPU compared to the last generation compared to just last generation Snapdragon 8 plus. Also enhanced on the GPU energy saving. It can reduce 30% on the GPU and GPU energy and consumption. And also this time the AI is have a more powerful AI system. So that also the AI they can improved update. The update AI system can improved around 20% on the AI system. So yes, this is about the processor. Actually, this time this is the first model they use the Snapdragon 8 Plus. Is the newest model from Snapdragon, and also we know that Snapdragon is one of the shareholders of Xiaomi, so they did a very good lot of good collaborations on the new models. Okay, and next I think we can also show you some other features. Like this time they have the dual speakers here and dual speaks here, so you have four speakers or always Hamilton. It's also nice, and also they have the infrared remote control function as well, and also the Type-C charger, support fast charger. Almost you can almost use one day and no need charger. And so this is very simple and very quick unbox video on this model, the Xiaomi 12s Pro. And I hope you like this model, and next time we will review the Xiaomi 12s Ultra Edition. And thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned, waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Bye bye.